HUBSAN ZINO 1-button takeoff, landing, and return. Extend the front arm first, then the rear arms to maximum angle. Open the gimbal core. Place the aircraft on a flat surface after connecting successfully. Proceed to takeoff. Press and hold the takeoff button. The transmitter will beep and the aircraft will automatically arm the motors and rise and hover at the height of 2 meters, waiting for your command. Press and hold the landing button. The aircraft will slowly descend and land, then disarm the motors. In the app of your mobile device, you can access 1-button takeoff, landing, and return by tapping on the function icons. Hold and press the return button on HT016B after hearing a beep. The aircraft will start returning to takeoff point. When the aircraft is at a far distance, the app interface allows you to view the current flight position and other flight data. Note: during return to home, you can control your aircraft to avoid obstacles, but yaw does not work. Short press the return to home button to exit return to home mode. Tips: if the aircraft is returning due to a loss of signal from the transmitter, the aircraft will hover in position and wait for your command once the aircraft reconnects to the transmitter again.